How does the IRS monitor wire transfers and what kind of information do they collect?
Hello there. Welcome to our deep dive into a topic that combines finance, law, and technology, how the IRS monitors wire transfers. Throughout this video, we will explore the process used by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, in the United States to keep an eye on wire transfers and the kind of information they collect.
What is the IRS?
The IRS, or the Internal Revenue Service, is the revenue service of the U.S. federal government. It's the government agency responsible for collecting taxes and administering the Internal Revenue Code, which is the main body of federal statutory tax law in the country. It's important to know that the IRS plays a crucial role in ensuring the smooth functioning of the federal government through effective tax collection.
How does the IRS monitor wire transfers?
Now, you might be wondering, how does the IRS keep track of wire transfers? It's not as if they have a direct feed into your bank account, right? The answer lies in specific rules and regulations set by the U.S. government. Banks and other financial institutions in the U.S. are required to report certain types of transactions to the IRS. For instance, cash transactions over $10,000 must be reported. Similarly, if a series of smaller transactions seem to be structured intentionally to avoid the $10,000 threshold, those too must be reported. This is called structuring. Wire transfers can also fall under these rules, especially if they are international. Banks report international wire transfers of $10,000 or more to the IRS. The IRS may also receive information from the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN, which monitors for fraudulent activities and money laundering.
What information does the IRS collect?
When these transactions are reported, the IRS receives quite a bit of information. This includes the sender's name, address, and social security number, or taxpayer identification number, as well as the recipient's name and account information. It also includes the amount of the transaction and any related transaction fees. Keep in mind that the IRS is primarily interested in these transactions for tax purposes. They're not watching your bank account just to keep tabs on you. They're looking for signs of tax evasion or other illegal activities that could impact the federal government's revenue. To wrap up, the IRS monitors wire transfers mainly through reports from financial institutions. These reports include information about the sender, recipient, and the transaction itself. It's a balance of protecting revenue, enforcing tax law, and ensuring financial transactions are carried out within the legal framework. We hope this video helps demystify how the IRS keeps track of wire transfers. Remember, understanding these processes is a part of being a responsible and informed taxpayer. Thanks for watching.